So I'll do a simple hand test on you to see how mobiles are affecting you. Ready?
Yeah.
So put your hand like this. No shoulder pain?
No.
So I'm going to push this hand down. Please resist with all your strength. Ready? See the amount of strength you have and I have. Where is the phone? Can we have a phone with, put it in the other hand? Now put it again. Ready? Same strength. Okay. I'll fix a chip in your phone. Now hold it. Ready? Same strength. Okay. Now you are clear what mobile chip do to you? Eh? While taking off and landing, they ask you to switch off your phone. And the second part is because it interferes with in-flight communication system. Now imagine one phone can tons of flight communication, it can interfere. Here exactly the same thing it does in your body. In first case, I asked you to resist. So your brain sent the command to hand to resist. And the signal reached the hand and you resisted. The moment you held this device, which is a microwave emanating device, it interfered with your communication system. It's not your strength goes down in 2 seconds, but your communication off did not reach the hand. So command, when the command was not there in the hand, why would hand resist? So that's why your hand went down. And in third case with the Envirochip, we just restored that command. So the communication was clear.